Hello everyone, this is a demo video for a MVC based Node.js project called Easily. It is a job portal website where you can apply for job, and as a recruiter you can post new jobs. So as a job seeker you can click on I am a job seeker button or jobs in the navigation menu, and that will render this view. It will list all of the jobs that have been posted by all the recruiters on this platform. For each particular job you can see the company's name, the designation offered, the location, the salary information, the skills required, and for each job there is a view detail button. When you click on the view details button, it will render this view that will show all of the job details in this format. So as a job seeker you can apply for any job. So let's try to apply for this job. You click on the apply now button and that will render this model field. So you have to fill in all the information, so name, email, contact number and resume, which will be a PDF file. We are using Multer to handle file uploads, and then we click on the submit button. When you click on submit, you have successfully applied for this job. You can verify as the number of applicants have grown from 1 to 2, but as a job seeker you will not be able to view the applicants. You have to be a recruiter for that, and also to update or delete a particular job or to post a new job you have to be a recruiter. Now recruiter is requires authentication, so you have to log in or register as a recruiter. So let's try to do that. So click on I am a recruiter button and that will render this model field. Either you can register a new recruiter or you can log in with existing credentials. So let's log in. You can still view all the jobs, and for any particular job, now when you click on the view details button you will have two additional options, which are to update the job and to delete the job listing. So let's try to update this particular job. So when you click on the update, that will render this page. You have to select new job category, a designation, and let's try to update the job location and the number of open positions. When you click on update, you can see the position, the designation, the number of openings has changed. So you can update any job and you can also delete it. So when you click on the delete button, this job will be deleted. But before that, let's try to view the applicants. So when you click on the applicants now, as a recruiter you will be able to view all the applicants for this particular job, and you can view their resumes. Again, we are using Multer for handling file uploads. So let's try to delete this job now. When you click on the delete button, it will be deleted from the platform. Now as a recruiter you will also be able to post a new job. So when you go on to this drop down and click on post a new job, it will render this page and you have to fill in the information. So for example, tech job, the designation is Monster developer, location is Mumbai. You can put any company name, any salary, number of open positions, the skills required, and the date of posting. Let's select it as today. And when you click submit, as you can see, the job has been added onto the platform. You can view the details and the number of applicants. So this is how you can create a new job, and this is basically the flow of this application or website where you can apply for any job and you can post, update and delete any job as a recruiter. So there are some additional improvements that can be made on for this project. So first is, when you are on this view, you can use the search input field to filter through the jobs. So for example, when I enter just pay, for example, it should filter out all the other jobs that do not match this input. So only this job should be visible. So you can add search and filter functionality with the help of this input field. The second improvement is that although I am logged in as a recruiter, I can still see this button, and when I click on it, it still asks me to log in and register. So we can prevent it. We can check if we are already logged in as a recruiter and prevent this model from appearing. We can just redirect to this page. So that is the second improvement that we can add. The third improvement is, as a recruiter, I will be able to edit or delete, update or delete any of the jobs. So that should not be the case. I should only be able to update or delete the jobs that I have posted. So you can add resource based authentication to make sure that only the recruiter who has posted a particular job can update or edit it. Okay. So the next improvement that we can do is add a confirmation box. So for example, when you click on the delete button, it is instantly deleted from the platform. So we can add confirm boxes to ask the recruiter if they're sure about deleting the listing. Okay, the last improvement that additional improvement that we can make is that where a validation middleware for all the forms. So when you apply or when you edit uh, or when you post a new job, for all of these forms you can add a validation middleware on the backend and make sure that all the fields are correctly validated before updating the resource inside of the memory. So these are all the additional tasks that you can perform on this project. So that's all.